Okay guys, this is the moment you've been waiting for. Balisong number 11, finished and for sale. There it is, lightly patinaed blade. I've got it coated with oil right now to inhibit any rusting because this is 1084. But there it is. I just used it as a letter opener earlier today, and it's pretty dang sharp. Well, let's see. So y'all, some shit from the VA, so I ain't too worried about it. Let's see. I wonder if there's a way I can hold it like that. Yeah, will that work? Yeah. Okay. So yeah, guys, 150 with leather or Kydex, your choice. And just so you get the measurements of it, let's see here. Just a hair over 1/8 over 3 inches sharpened, so 3 1/8 or so. And total length is 8.5. Closed length is 5 1/8, and it weighs 5.7 ounces. So it's latchless, steel spacers, well, same steel as the blade, 1084. But yeah, solid little knife. Alright, 150 bucks with Kydex or leather, your choice. Shipped, so drop me a line. Later.